I mean, it just builds up in there for a while, and then it comes out when it's ready.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. I see it running down.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's causing all of this.
We have a leak, and this leak is causing us to remodel the entire shower.
There's holes in the wall where the pipes come into the faucet. So the fact that that was cracked and it was spraying like crazy, it's just spraying back into the holes and down that area. So it might not be going through the caulking at all. Like that might have been fine. But I'm replacing it anyway because it's...
Now, in order to get behind the shower, we're going to need to remove the fridge. The fridge needs to be disconnected for this to happen. First, we're going to have to turn off the propane tank, then disconnect the propane line. Following that, we're going to unplug the fridge's power as well as the connectors. Take out the screws at the front plus the back too. Now we can slide the fridge forward for access.
Congratulations, 2 days.
Reveal.
Oh, here we go.
Ready? Yeah, that's what we needed. Good news is it's not leaking from here.
And now it's time to install all the new parts.
If these are spot on, I'm going to be amazed because I do not trust my measurements at all. Yeah, it's fine. It's this. We have a little bit of room.
Here's what our shower looked like before, and here's what it looks like now.
Here we go.
Yes.
It worked.
Oh, good.